Well, hello. I thought today would be a good day to do a 4th of July taste test. And I thought since it was fireworks, I'd try something that might give us a little fireworks, the Habanero beef strip. So I've got this open and ready to go. And in case it's real hot, I got my milk here to kind of protect my taste buds. So here we go. So here it is. So I can't really smell anything different, but we'll see how this works. So far, it's okay. I can taste the heat in it. Yeah, it is getting hot. So, yeah, it's getting hot now. I don't think I'd eat the whole package in one sitting. So, I'm glad I have the milk. It makes a difference. So, anyway, I got one of my baseball shirts on here. Baseball. Got a game tonight with fireworks. So, looking forward to that. And happy 4th of July to everybody. We'll be back on the air again soon with a new flavor.